Hello friends, welcome again in this video. In this video we will discuss about different types of specialist doctors. What we call a special doctor. Okay, we starts. Firstly we will discuss about doctors treating stomach, liver, bowel, colon, kidney problems. First doctor we have urologist, a doctor who treats and diagnoses and studies health issues related to the urinary tract, kidney, and urinary system. Second doctor we have gastrologist, treats and diagnoses medical condition related to stomach functions. Third doctor we hepatologist, treats and diagnoses disease related to liver. Fourth, nephrologist, treats kidney disease and ailments. Fifth, we have rectal and colon surgeon, undertakes surgical procedure to correct rectal, colon and anal disorders. Someone who treats about anal, we will call him colon surgeon. Someone who is specialist of kidney disease, we will call him nephrologist. Someone who is related to liver, we will call hepatologist. Someone who is related to stomach, gastrologist, stomach function. And someone who is related to kidney and urinary system, urologist. Okay, now we will talk about doctors who treats about hormone and gland problems. Hormone doctor या endocrinologist diagnose and treats endocrine system and glands disorders and imbalances. We will call him hormone doctor or endocrinologist. Pediatric endocrinologist treats hormone and gland problems in infants, children and adolescents. Okay, doctor of hormones of an infant will call pediatric endocrinologist, and doctor of adult will be called hormone doctor or endocrinologist. Now we will talk about some different doctors. Parasitologist, a doctor who studies about biology and pathology of parasites as well as parasite disease. Okay, diagnostician studies the medical symptoms and report of patient to diagnose the disease. An epidemiologist studies the cause and patterns of a disease in a population or area and make efforts to prevent pandemics from happening again. Epidemic something which a disease which spreads really fast. Okay, now we will talk about psychological doctors related to psychological problems. First we have general psychiatrist, specialized in study, treatment, diagnosis of mental disorder and behavior problem. Second, neuropsychiatrist, specialized in mental and brain health. Third, we have geriatric psychiatrist, deals with mental complication in elderly individuals. Fourth, we have forensic psychiatrist, studies correlation between psychology and crime. Now we will talk about specialist doctor of a nose, ear, throat, dental, eye, skin. The first we have audiologist, as name describes as audio, specialized in hearing aids treatment. Someone who is related to ear specialist. Now we have ENT specialist or otolaryngologist, specialized in ear, throat and nose medical elements. Next we have ophthalmologist, someone who is related to simple eye surgeries. A eye specialist, we will call him ophthalmologist. Next word we have periodontist, treats dental problems related to teeth supporting structures. Video. Okay. Now we will talk about doctor treating brain nervous system problems. First we have neurosurgeon, someone who study or who care about nerve system, specialize in the treatment of disease affecting the nervous system and the brain. Now next we have neurologist, diagnosis, studies and treats medical condition affecting the brain such as strokes, seizures and Alzheimer's problem. Someone who is suffering from Alzheimer's, he should contact a neurologist. In this screen we will discuss some doctors related to joints, bone and muscle problem. Orthopedist repairs and replace broken bones. Orthopedic surgeon offers surgical treatment for joints, muscles and bones complication. Rheumatologist specialize in the treatment of vasculitis, rheumatism and autoimmune disorders. Next we have podiatrist, a doctor of foot, or you can say foot and ankle, a specialist doctor of foot and ankle, we will call him podiatrist. In this we will talk about some doctor related to cancer. Medical oncologist oversees the general care of cancer patients. Radiation oncologist specialize in treating cancer using radiation. Surgical oncologist deals with administering surgical procedure to treat cancer. Pediatric oncologist treats cancer in children. Pediatric literally means related to infant or children. Doctors treating immunity and allergy problems. Allergist expert in allergic reactions. Immunologist specialize in study and treatment of conditions related to immune system. Now we will talk about some doctors related to sex problems. Andrologist, a doctor who solve the issues related to man reproductive systems. A man reproductive system specialist called andrologist. Gynecologist treats and diagnoses condition in the reproductive system of females. Obstetrician, someone who is very expert in pregnancy and childbirth expert. Next, a sexual medicine practitioner studies, treats and diagnoses disorders related to sex. Next and last we have fertility specialist, treats problem with infertility, menopause, sexual disorders and hormonal imbalance. Thank you very much for watching this video.